In this video, I'm going to try to make the Mr. Cheesecake cheesecake. Mix the cream cheese and sugar in a bowl inside a larger bowl with hot water until it gets a smooth texture. Add 2 beaten egg yolks in 3 equal parts to the sour cream and Greek yogurt mix. Add the lemon juice and cornstarch. Heat up the cream in a small pan on medium heat and add the white chocolate. Instead of vanilla and tonka beans, I used a few teaspoons of vanilla essence. Mix the white chocolate mixture with the cream cheese mixture with a whisk. Add it to the sour cream mixture and mix it until it becomes smooth. Strain it and pour it in a cake tin lined with baking paper. Place the tin on a deep baking sheet which has 3 cm of water in it. After baking it at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes and afterwards 150 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. This is what happened when I turned the cheesecake out. Luckily, the second time it went better, and I thought it was a good idea just to put the whole thing in the fridge without turning it upside down. After cooling it in the fridge for at least 4 hours, you can serve the cheesecake. The cheesecake was very soft and creamy. It was tasty on its own, but it was delicious with a little bit of blueberry jam.